Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you join us today. In this video, we're diving deep into a topic that many people find intriguing: how to make her scared of losing you. Now, this isn't about manipulation or playing games. It's about creating a strong, genuine connection that makes her realize your value. So if you want to learn how to foster that feeling of fear of loss in a healthy way, stick around. Making someone feel scared of losing you often involves a delicate balance of confidence and independence. It's about instilling in her the realization that she could potentially lose someone special, someone who brings joy, excitement, and love into her life. This isn't about being clingy or needy. Instead, it's about being self-assured and emotionally available without being overbearing. When she sees that you have a fulfilling life outside of her, that you're a confident individual who knows your worth, it will naturally trigger a sense of appreciation for what you bring to the relationship. It's important to remember that fear of loss often stems from a place of respect and admiration, not anxiety or pressure. Building confidence is honestly incredibly attractive, and it really plays a huge role in making her feel like she could lose you. The first step is to truly be yourself. You want to show her your authentic personality. A lot of people fall into the trap of trying to be someone they're not, just to impress their partner. While this might work for a little while, it's just not sustainable. Authenticity, creates a solid foundation for any relationship. When she sees you for who you really are, it'll actually make her appreciate you even more. Another critical aspect is pursuing your interests and passions. Don't let a relationship totally consume your entire life. Make sure to invest time in hobbies and activities that genuinely make you happy, whether that's sports, art, music, or anything else that excites you. When she sees you engaging in your passions, it doesn't just make you more interesting. It also shows that you have a fulfilling life outside of the relationship. This kind of independence is super attractive and makes her realize that you're not just sitting around waiting for her attention. Staying positive is just as important. A good attitude can be seriously contagious, and it'll attract her to you even more. Positivity breeds happiness, and who wouldn't want to be around someone who lifts them up? When you maintain a positive outlook, it makes her want to be around you and reinforces the idea that you're a valuable presence in her life. Number 2, creating emotional connection. This is honestly essential in ensuring that she truly values your presence. Start by listening actively. Show genuine interest in what she has to say. Engage in conversations where you ask questions and really listen to her answers. This shows her that you care about her thoughts and feelings, which helps to deepen your emotional bond. Sharing experiences is another great way to create lasting memories together. It can be as simple as going for a walk in the park or as adventurous as traveling together. The key is to make those moments count. Create shared experiences that will strengthen your connection. Whether it's a fun date night or a spontaneous weekend getaway, the memories you build together will make her realize the importance of having you in her life. Being vulnerable with her can also deepen the emotional connection. Don't be afraid to open up about your thoughts and feelings. Share your dreams, fears, and insecurities. When you allow her to see the real you, it builds trust and intimacy in the relationship. Vulnerability fosters a safe space where both partners can express their true selves without fear of judgment. Number 3, setting boundaries. This might sound counterintuitive when you're trying to make someone feel scared of losing you, but honestly, it's crucial. Don't always be available. If you drop everything at her beck and call, it can come off as, desperation. Instead, create a bit of space. This doesn't mean you should ignore her, but rather, give her time to miss you. Having your own life outside of the relationship is essential. Invest in your friendships, career, and personal growth. When she sees that you have a fulfilling life beyond just your relationship, it shows that you are self-sufficient and not solely reliant on her for happiness. This balance makes you more appealing and creates a dynamic where she understands the value of having you around. Respecting yourself is another key point here. Know your worth and stand firm in your boundaries. When you demonstrate self-respect, it encourages her to respect you as well. People are drawn to those who value themselves, and this creates an environment where she understands that losing you would be a significant loss. Number 4, communicating effectively. Effective communication is at the heart of every healthy relationship. It's essential to express your feelings honestly and clearly. Use clear words to articulate what you want and need from the relationship. Being direct about your feelings can be daunting, but it fosters openness and honesty. Don't shy away from being vulnerable in your communication. If something bothers you, speak up. If you appreciate her, let her know. This open dialogue builds trust and respect between you two. And of course, always show genuine appreciation for her. Compliment her sincerely and often. Whether it's about her appearance, her achievements, or her personality, making her feel appreciated reinforces the bond you share. Genuine compliments show that you recognize her value and acknowledge the things you love about her. This goes a long way in making her feel good about herself, and in turn, she will likely appreciate you more. Number 5, keeping things exciting. To keep the spark alive, it's crucial to keep things exciting. Surprise her every once in a while. Plan unexpected dates, leave little notes for her, or, surprise her with her favorite treat. Small gestures can leave a lasting impression and remind her of how much you care. These surprises keep her on her toes and make her realize that you're invested in the relationship. Trying new things together is another way to keep the excitement alive. Explore new activities as a couple. Whether it's cooking a new recipe together, going for a hike, or taking a dance class, sharing new experiences will create cherished memories and strengthen your bond. Doing things together that you both enjoy also gives you opportunities to communicate, laugh, and grow closer. Lastly, don't forget to keep the flirtation alive. Flirting doesn't stop once you're in a relationship. Keep the playful banter going, tease each other, and, remind her why she was attracted to you in the first place. Flirtation keeps the relationship lively and reinforces the chemistry you share. Now, if you're serious about making her think about you non-stop and becoming the guy she just can't resist, you need to check out the exclusive guide linked in the description below. Inside, you'll find proven psychological tricks, real-world strategies, and step-by-step techniques to boost your confidence, charm, and emotional impact. Don't wait around hoping she notices you. Take control and make it happen. Click that link now to unlock the secrets to becoming the man who naturally attracts her attention and keeps it. And hey, if you got value from this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another video packed with real talk and game-changing advice. Drop a comment below. Which of these strategies are you already using, or which one are you going to try first? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let's keep this energy going, and I'll catch you in the next one.